whatever. I'm hungry. I'll just have a snack. Lance, what are you doing? We have to make a video. Come on. Take that. Yummy. I'll take that. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Let's have a drum roll for our first ever Fiddly. Lance, maybe you should explain it.
Fiddle, don't you get it? Fiddly.
Lance, that's not an explanation. That's just a breakdown of the words. Explain
Fine.
it.
A fiddly is when you have a couple ingredients, throw them in a pot, and you've got yourself a meal. Or if you have something in your mind that you want to make, you go to the store, make it, and then buy the ingredients, make it, and then you've got whatever it is.
Ah, okay. Well, how about you tell us what the ingredients are so we can make it?
1.5 lemons.
Ugh, whatever. Come on, let's just show them. So let's get started. We're going to start with the bread sauce, which is a kind of mayonnaise-y, but also very herby sauce. So we're going to pour mayonnaise, extra virgin olive oil, basil, Italian blend, thyme, and balsamic vinaigrette into a bowl. Then stir until combined. This will complete your sauce.
Smear the sauce on both pieces of bread.
Now we will start with the fish. Start by juicing 1.5 lemons. Then you can also add a little more or a little less lemon throughout the recipe.
Cook the fish in a big pan that has avocado oil spread all over.
Lance! Get the pan hot over medium-high heat.
Put the fish in the pan. Quickly add the
Spice it up a bit. This is really boring.
red curry, lemon juice, salt, and pepper on the fish. That enough spices for you?
Lance, I didn't mean actual spices. I just meant that you should make your voice sound a little peppier.
Pepper's there.
Ugh! Just be a little more energetic. How about you just start over with that step?
Put the fish in a pan. Quickly add the red curry, lemon juice, salt, and pepper on the fish.
And now for the final step, you're just going to put the fish onto the bread, which already has some sauce in it. Make sure you only take the desired amount, as some people may want a full fillet, half a fillet, or whatever you measure your fish sizes in. So, now you're done.
try it.
We cut ours in quarters so that it's a little easier to eat. Hey, you're not supposed to take a bite before me.
I did.
Uh-huh.
Mmm.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Please make sure to comment
Subscribe.
and kick that like button.